Hello, Hello, I'm here doing Pokemon. Yeah.
You're too near. No?
What?
You're too near, no?
No. Okay. Pokemon. I don't know what. Doing mewtwo then. Again. Here's the code. Oh god, lag. My laptop. Again, as I always say, I recode on my laptop. So let's see, 4 packets again. One pack. Side lag. Again. Pack. Oh god, lag. 3 pack. And 4 pack. That again. Just in case, if you want to read it. Sorry again, just lag. So hello to a video, like I think I said. With the similar figures, Shiny Gyarados, and Machamp, but also Mewtwo. And Mewtwo on the side. Let's do that random shuffle. We got primary, what's his name from Mega Ruby? Primary Mega something. Starts with G, I think. Okay. One kick. Pass. Stigma. Bumblebee. Loaded. Phoebus. Shiny. Electric. Bumblebee. Scorching Knot. And the Lucky Slash.
Yeah, good ones.
Yeah, I did. Let's do a random shuffle. Scizor Mega. Did not see that. Attack will put this back. What are you? Oh. There's Ducklet. Lamia. Switzy. Shix. Slowpoke. Sorry, give me a sec. What's a Slowpoke? Delinquent. Golduck is our rare. Great Ball God. Kabite. And Reverse Valley. Ooh, I'll be using that. So give me a sec, have a look through the cards. Pretty good. The cards I'll use most. For the start, again, just some luck. Stadiums. 2 packets left. Breakthrough backup. And Hellcross. As you can see, I'm looking away. Hellcross packet. Oops. Down. Sorry, give me a sec. Have a look. Ooh, oh no, I already have them. Zuba. Eevee. Lickitung. Oh yeah, this Eevee is actually old. Forgot to mention that. Trollchick. Machop. Stragi, I think. He is all foil. Taiwan Trum is our rare. Mounting Ring, the Denny, and Vibrabra. Okay, give me a sec. Okay. No need shuffle. So, last packet of the day. Actually, it looks nice. Yeah, no. No, but still get a good card. Scopy. One of my favorites. Slowpoke. Another one. Lamia. Yeah. Splitsy. Shix. He's one of my favorites as well. Farflu. Oh yeah, here's our... I don't know where I come. Before I get to the big lad, I'm gonna show him last. Sophie, Psychiliov, I don't know how to pronounce his name, Psychic Toad I, and Polytoad, I think. Last, legendary, Suicune and Monterey dogs. Now all I need is one more tree dog. So that's it bye for this video. I hope you all enjoy, and I put Suicune in here. Hope you all are going to enjoy that, and bye with this guy. Bye. See you soon.